Heart disease might be a term we're all too familiar with, but did you know that one person dies every 33 seconds from cardiovascular disease? And in the United States alone, someone has a heart attack every 40 seconds. According to the World Health Organization, cardiovascular diseases claim around 17.9 million lives each year. With such alarming statistics, finding natural ways to support heart health has never been more important. That's why in this video, we're uncovering an ancient remedy, hawthorn berry, which has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to boost heart health. So, is this ancient remedy the key to heart health? Stick around to find out. What is hawthorn berry? Hawthorn berry comes from the hawthorn shrub, a member of the rose family, and has a long history of use in herbal medicine. From ancient China to its role in Western herbal medicine, particularly for heart-related conditions, it's packed with antioxidants, especially flavonoids, which are believed to contribute to its cardiovascular benefits. The first study of hawthorn, published way back in 1896, reported its promise in treating heart disease. That's over a century of science giving this berry a thumbs up. But what exactly makes this berry so special for the heart? 1. Improves blood circulation. Did you know that good blood circulation is crucial for overall cardiovascular health and can even help with symptoms of conditions like angina? Hawthorn berries are particularly beneficial here because they contain flavonoids, which help to dilate your blood vessels. This dilation improves coronary artery blood flow, allowing more oxygen-rich blood to reach your heart. When your heart receives the nutrients it needs, it can function more efficiently and stay healthier. So the next time you're thinking about heart health, ask yourself, wouldn't it be nice to have a berry on your side that keeps your blood flowing like a well-tuned engine? 2. Lowers blood pressure. High blood pressure is often called the silent killer because it doesn't usually show obvious symptoms, but can significantly increase the risk of heart disease. Fortunately, hawthorn berries may help with this issue. It has been shown to lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels, which makes it easier for blood to flow. A study published in the British Journal of General Practice found that hawthorn extract was effective in reducing blood pressure among people with type 2 diabetes who were also on other medications. Participants took 1,200 milligrams of hawthorn extract daily for 16 weeks, and those who used the extract saw a greater reduction in blood pressure compared to those who took a placebo. In traditional Chinese medicine, hawthorn berry is often recommended for managing high blood pressure. Animal studies also support these findings, showing that hawthorn can act as a vasodilator, relaxing constricted blood vessels and thus lowering blood pressure. 3. Strengthens heart muscles. Did you know that your heart is basically a muscle? And just like any muscle, it needs to stay strong to work efficiently. Hawthorn berry is believed to help strengthen those heart muscles, making them more effective at pumping blood throughout your body. This can be particularly helpful if you're dealing with heart failure. Now, you might be wondering, how do we know this? Well, a review of several clinical trials published in the journal Phytomedicine found that hawthorn extract could actually improve heart function. Patients with heart failure reported feeling less fatigued and experiencing fewer symptoms like shortness of breath. And it doesn't stop there. Studies also suggest that hawthorn can enhance your ability to exercise, even after a heart failure diagnosis. One study even found that taking hawthorn extract at 900 milligrams per day for just 2 months was as effective as low doses of captopril, a common prescription heart medication, in improving symptoms of heart failure. So if you're looking to give your heart muscles a little extra support, hawthorn berry might just be worth a closer look. 4. May reduce cholesterol levels. Let's talk about cholesterol, specifically the kind that can cause trouble. High levels of LDL, or bad cholesterol, can lead to plaque buildup in your arteries, putting you at risk for heart disease. But what if I told you that hawthorn berry might help keep that in check? Research suggests that hawthorn berry can help reduce LDL cholesterol while boosting your HDL, or good cholesterol. This balance is crucial for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. The secret lies in the berry's flavonoid and pectin content. Pectin, a type of fiber, plays a role in cholesterol metabolism, helping your body manage those cholesterol levels more effectively. Now, you might wonder, how effective is this? Well, animal studies have shown promising results. In one study, mice given Hawthorn extract had lower levels of LDL cholesterol and significantly lower liver triglyceride levels compared to those that didn't receive the extract. Another study in rats found that after 6 weeks of hawthorn berry supplementation, there was a significant reduction in fasting triglycerides and LDL cholesterol. And it's not just animal studies. Humans have seen benefits too. In a 6-month study involving 64 people with atherosclerosis, those who took hawthorn extract saw a significant reduction in the thickness of harmful plaque buildup in their carotid arteries. So if you're looking to support your cholesterol levels naturally, hawthorn berry could be a valuable ally. But remember, it's always best to talk to your doctor before adding anything new to your routine. 5. Acts as an antioxidant. Did you know that your heart is constantly battling against harmful invaders? No, not like in a video game, but something just as dangerous: free radicals. These unstable molecules can damage your heart and contribute to the development of heart disease. But here's where hawthorn berry comes to the rescue. Hawthorn berry is packed with antioxidants, especially flavonoids, which help protect your heart from oxidative stress and inflammation, two key players in heart disease. Hawthorn berries are also rich in polyphenols, powerful antioxidant compounds found in plants. These polyphenols not only protect your heart, but also offer a host of other health benefits, like reducing the risk of asthma, infections, type 2 diabetes, and even early-stage cancer. So, by incorporating hawthorn berry into your routine, you're giving your heart and your entire body a fighting chance against a range of health issues. 6. Supports heart rhythm. Irregular heartbeats, known as arrhythmia, can be risky if not managed properly. If you've ever experienced that unsettling flutter in your chest, you know how important it is to keep your heart rhythm steady. This is where hawthorn berry comes into play. Research suggests that hawthorn berries can help regulate your heart's rhythm, potentially reducing the risk of those irregularities. If you deal with conditions like atrial fibrillation, this could be especially beneficial. By supporting a more regular heartbeat, hawthorn berry might just be the natural ally your heart needs. 7. Reduces angina symptoms. If you've ever experienced the chest pain that comes with angina, you know how debilitating it can be. It's caused by reduced blood flow to the heart, which makes your heart work harder than it should. This berry has been traditionally used to alleviate angina symptoms by improving blood flow to the heart and reducing its overall workload. In one study, 60 people with angina were given either 180 milligrams per day of hawthorn berry leaf flower extract or a placebo for 3 weeks. The results? Those who took the hawthorn extract saw improved blood flow to their hearts and were able to exercise longer without experiencing chest pain. So if angina is something you deal with, hawthorn berry could be worth exploring. It might just give your heart the support it needs to help you live more comfortably. 8. May have anti-inflammatory properties. Did you know that chronic inflammation is linked to a host of serious health issues, including type 2 diabetes, asthma, and even certain cancers? It's one of those things that can quietly wreak havoc on your body over time. But here's where hawthorn berry might come to the rescue. Research published by the National Library of Medicine suggests that hawthorn berries may have anti-inflammatory properties that could benefit your health. For instance, in a study involving mice with liver disease, hawthorn berry extract significantly reduced levels of inflammatory compounds, leading to less liver inflammation and injury. Another study looked at Vitexin, a compound found in hawthorn leaves. When given to mice with respiratory conditions, Vitexin reduced the production of molecules that trigger inflammation and also calm down the response of white blood cells to inflammation. While these studies were done on animals, they offer promising insights that hawthorn berry could help reduce inflammation in humans too. Before you dive headfirst into the world of hawthorn berries, let's talk about a few important things you need to know. First, if you're allergic to hawthorn or any other plants in the Rosaceae family, think roses, apples, or pears, steer clear of this berry. Allergic reactions can range from mild to severe, so if you notice itching, hives, or even worse, shortness of breath, get medical help right away. Hawthorn berries are typically taken 3 times daily in supplement form, in dosages ranging from 250 to 500 milligrams. It can be consumed as teas or extracts, and sometimes they come in capsules as well. Even though hawthorn is a natural remedy, it can interact with medications and other supplements like beta blockers or anticoagulants. Always consult with your healthcare provider, pharmacist, or dietitian before starting hawthorn, especially if you're pregnant, taking other medications, or considering it for children. Taking care of your heart health is a journey, and adding hawthorn to your routine might just be one step along the way. But don't forget, the best approach to wellness is a holistic combination of natural remedies, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and all those other good habits you know so well.